Haha, we'll see. We'll see how it goes, dude. We'll see how it goes. I can always adjust tomorrow. But I like this because, subscribers, usually a subathon is it's like paid subscribers. It's like pay on Twitch it's $5 to subscribe. So I thought it'd be cool to do it in a manner where it's free to subscribe. So if you guys want me to keep going, you can just subscribe, send it to your friends, subscribe, etc., etc. Adds a minute for now, maybe 30 seconds some other time, maybe 3 minutes. I don't know. We'll just test it out. I'm willing to show you everything forever, and I'll step on the gas all day. I don't care. I'm locked, bro. I'm locked. So I thought this would be a fun way to gamify it. Like how long? Like can you who can outwork who? you know like you could give me, I could code this stuff all day, I could keep building in public all day, I could share all my code and ideas and all day, but we'll see how long y'all want me to. Let's go ahead and see. I found and fixed both issues. Okay, it was too low, code was getting truncated, not enough for complete backtest. Okay, step on the gas, Freddy, let's get it. Let's go ahead and see if she can fix this. Let's go ahead and put another exclamation mark here. If you have other trading ideas, feel free. Throw them in the chizzy. Multi-API, yes. We're using Open Router now. Where to buy house coins on the internet? Is there even a house coin? Looks like I need to go out of my cave. Haha. Yeah. I like house coin, but I'm not a financial advisor, so that stuff could go to zero. Could go to zero. We'll see what happens. Um, it went up like a bunch yesterday, 40% or something. But it's down bad. It's down bad. It's down tremendously bad over time. These are the type of charts I really, really like if there's good narrative, because I know crypto is just down bad. So I don't want to dive too deep into this because I don't want to come off as pitching you on house coin. Do your own due diligence on anything before getting into it. I'm not a financial advisor. Um, I've just been a big believer in virtual real estate for almost a decade now. Almost a decade. I uh I was a big supporter of Decentraland back in the day. And Decentraland was like virtual real estate. And they that was a hell of a ride. A hell of a ride. Here, I should go on TradingView. Well, you saw it. You saw the ride here. I was a huge supporter of Decentraland in these times because of digital real estate. And then Facebook changed their name to Meta, and it went literally, I don't know. It was mind boggling. Looks like we got a
Do
new
you want to have your
subscriber.
own trading bot? I can show you step by step. Even if you don't know how to code or don't know where to start, there's a link below with my full boot camp, and I hold your hand through the entire trading bot process.
Got a new subscriber, so it should have added a minute. Welcome, welcome, fam. Every new sub adds 1 more minute to open source. Okay, let's keep it pushing here. So it says it's working on it still. So Queen, okay. Open router created. Did we backtest? Okay, perfect. So it looks like, yes, it worked through that. Okay, great. Awesome. Now, since that was the sticky point for that last model, and we've already tested it with Queen, I think the coding the backtest was the sticky point. So now I want to try it with Gemini. I think that is the one we haven't tested yet because there's just some configuration differences between each of them, I think. So yeah, just go ahead and test it with Gemini in that place where we're having the issues. I think it was the backtesting part. Okay, so I'm just robustness testing this open router because I think open router is slick. I think it's really slick because it's just one API key and you get access to all of these different models. What's the end goal? I found you today. I just began the 6 hour stream, but now you live. I want at least 3 hour streams. Well, let's see if you can get us there, bro. Share this on Discord, Twitter, whatever. Um, let's go ahead here. Perfect. I've switched the backtest config to use native Gemini Flash. Perfect. No, no, no. Not direct. I want to use open routers still. I still want to use open routers for all of this, but go ahead and use the Gemini for the backtesting one, not native. I want to make sure open route. I'm robustness testing open router right now. I think open router is freaking sick, bro. And anyways, my house coin thesis rolls over from almost a decade ago. Digital real estate, I think, is a thing. It's just where are like who's leading the digital real estate right now, and one house equals one house coin. That makes sense to me. I love their attitude about like F the boomers. They got rich off these $20,000 houses that are now worth 1 million. I think it would be the funniest thing ever if one house actually equals one house coin. At the end of the day, I think it's the absolute best meme when it comes to the real estate industry. And I was a big Decentraland guy. So this is kind of just the same thesis, and it could go to zero. As you see, Decentraland went up like 100x and then is down bad. So, but still, it's way higher than back in 2017. So